little sister. She kept asking for one, and 12 years later, her wish come true, and that's me. I've always kept that history in my heart. From the start, Ori and I have been very close, even with the age difference. In Venezuela, Ori used to study in another state far from home. Every time when she came to visit, her privacy disappeared. At night, she would ask me to stroke her hair and hug her until she fell asleep. Those were the days we got up late, played fights, and laughed. And if you wondering, yes, I always won. Those are the days of my happiest memories I have with her. The last time Ori and I were together in Venezuela, I was a little girl. I always saw her as an example to follow, always proud of being able to say that she is my sister. And until this day, that thought remains in my mind and in my heart. When I arrived here, I was a teenager, native of a new country, but I was never afraid because I always had Ori by my side. She, someone who saw me grow up, who saw me fall and get up, who always extended her to me, who was my support and more than my sister, she is my best friend. Ori. Manita, I love you and I support for you, and I can't stop looking at you tonight and thinking how lucky I am to have you as my sister. Remember that no matter what happens, I'll always be there for you, always together. For almost 3 years, I've seen the love she shares with Julie, and I'm so happy he's the one by her side. They have something special with love and respect. Julie, thank you for being that delight at home for Ori, and yes, for me too. For making her sad days better and reminding her every day that she came with everything. Thank you for being unconditional support for our family and for the beautiful love you give. Make her happy and take care of the greatest teacher of my life. Julie is now part of our family, and I know that if we ever needed anything, he will be there for us. The love he and his family have shown us means a lot. He has ever learned about our culture, and yes, he does his music, Latin music very well, but you will see that by yourself. The two most important people in our life, our parents, are far away right now, but I know they are proud of you and everything you will with Julie, and I'm sure that one day we will hug again and be together. After many months, this special day is finally here, and I'm so happy to be next to my sister and such an important moment in her life. Life has blessed them with the chance to live their love every day. They are amazing together, and they always will be. I love you all.